Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about what is the history of computer. Category computing and electronic background. Computer and electronic play an economics and enormous role in today's society, impacting everything from communication and medicine or to science. Although computers are typically viewed as a modern invention involving electronic computing predates the use of electrical devices. The ancient abacus was perhaps the first digital computing device. Analog computing dates back several millennia as primitive computing devices were used as early as the ancient Greeks and Romans. The most known complex of which being the antique Thera mechanism. Later devices such as a castle clock 12,006 slide rule c 1624 and Babbage's differences engine 1822 were other example of early mechanical analog computers. The introduction of electric power in the ninth century led to the rise of electrical hybrid electromechanical devices to carry outboard digital orith punch card machine and analog technology which led to the development of machines that we would recognize to early computer. The presentation of the Edison effect in 1885 provided the theoretical background for electronic devices, originally in the form of the vacuum tubes. Electronic components were rapidly integrated into electronic devices, revolutionizing radio and later television. It was the computer, however, where the full impact of electronics was felt. Analog computers used to calculate ballistics were crucial to the outcome of world war and the Colossus and the ENIAC, the two earliest electronic digital computer were developed during the war. With the invention of solid state electronics, the transistor and ultimately the integrated circuit computer would become much smaller and smaller and eventually affordable for the average consumer. Today, computers are present in nearly every aspect of everyday life, from watch to automobile. Stars article. Start article are reviewed articles on the history of major developments in technology available in the computer and information processing category are differential analyzers. Early punch card equipment 1880 by 1951, early popular computer 1950 by 1970, electronic calculators, desktop to pocket IBM system 360 inventing the computer. A software industry word processing for the Japanese language. Subcategories. Automation, the use of information technology and control system to reduce the need for human labor in the production of goods and services. circuitry included are topics which deals with the working and issue dealing with the circuitry with such a circuit noise silicon on insulator technology and circuits synthesis computational and artificial intelligence covers aspect dealing with artificial intelligence from computational standpoint computer application various practical applications of computing and as computer aided design and telecommunications community a computer architect architecture the inner working of computer including data structures, system bases, and distributed computing. Computer classes different kind of computers such as calculators, analog and digital computers, computer networks topics dealing with the networking such as IP networks, multicasting, and WAN, computer science, the mathematical algorithmic and scientific elements of computing are included here, such as algorithm analysis, programming, and graph theory computing various type of computing such as high performance mobile and optical computing consumer electronic device designed for consumer purchase such as sound system content electrical contact for joining electrical circuits data systems topics dealing with system that uh, process data digital system like metro system like metro a system like metropolitan area network and token network are covered under this category. Distributed computing are all respected of distributed computing including client server system peer-to-peer computing and file servers and including in the history in this category. All right guys, that's enough for today. I will be saying you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe, have a nice day ahead. Allah Hafiz.